Well, you're on camera, Rosie. Introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Rosie, and this is my second time.
Second time on track?
Yes.
Excellent. And where are you from, Rosie?
From Idaho.
She's back for round 2. She's crazy.
It's fun.
Last session of the weekend for me. Alright, now we're going to be getting on the curbings, going to the S.
Alright.
Reeling in the Porsche in his environment. Porsches are supposed to turn better than Mustangs.
Anything else besides Mustangs?
No, well, I got a truck.
Oh, okay.
I got a boat.
Nice.
How you holding up, trooper?
Oh, I'm loving it.
Okay.
This is insane.
All right. tires are more worn. Tires are barking.
They are.
Yes. It's rough through there. That's fun though.
It is.
I think this is our last hot lap. We'll try and get it back to the start finish line, then we'll do another full cool down lap. Right now we have a 2:24 going.
Wow.
That would be my best of the weekend so far. We'll see if we can keep it up with the traffic.
Okay. It's doable. I
It's
think
doable.
we can do it.
I'm trying. Gotta get the traffic to cooperate, the car to cooperate, and then I gotta drive the shit out of it. Stars have to align.
Oh yeah.
Alright, let's see if we can make this happen.
Okay.
Nailed that corner. Alright, don't overslow and lose your time.
Oh my
I
goodness.
think we're gonna get it. Oh, car's pulling power.
Oh my god.
We got it. And the car's pulling power and short shifting early. So we got a 2:24.
That is awesome.
Last session of the weekend.
Woo.
Heck yeah.
I love that.
Alright, now we're cooling down. Okay, what a way to end.
I know, the best time out of the whole weekend. I love that.
Time to throw these front tires in the garbage.
Oh, they had a good run though.
They had a great run. Yes.
Is that your fastest time, like, ever?
2:23.3
Oh wow.
is by myself, you know, in an open track.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're pretty close to that.
Yeah, that was awesome.
I was giving it all the beans. So have you done anything else on this trip? You know, what are your highlights of this trip?
Probably this.
Okay, that's
Yeah,
cool.
I've never gone to like a track, so this was a first for me.
Well, this is pretty crazy to be your first. Yeah, this is insane.
Yeah, I don't think anything's gonna top this, honestly.
Okay, that's good.
The experience was definitely one for the books.